2025. Abusuafo sika yatuyama wo mo eye million no enso ene na chipo enan 7.4 million Ghana cedis ena yatuyama sa nipa nan a wo mo awuo enti anopa headline say dead men on payroll, 4 ghosts chopped 7.4 million Ghana cedi for 7 years. Abusuafo uhuze Ghana for ye ho ye nwanwa pa ate asefo kura ye adwuma ye ntimi ntua wo moka nsamanfo a awuo ye nya sika 7.4 million e de atua wo moka na asem we nyina babia ya meya na e wo se ye nyina ya ma ya ni bre anopai na ye kasa ene se na ye se abandada no abre so enema nye ye ba be sachiramu ye ba be dane ani enti aban de brofo bi ba ya ye frɛ no reset ana resetting me brofo kakra minim ye kasa ye reset bibia se ade no ejina mienu a ye twea banachi ana se ye sha ade na se foforo ma menka ne saa babia ya duru bia no ye sha ade na se foforo enti e kire se enema na enye ewo ya brabo emu enema enye ewo ya mamuo mu enema enye ewo ya sikasa mu no anka ye to aba 2024 ewie ye na ye ba 2025 no anka auditor general report abai nka ye nte sa nema no biom enti se ye da so te sa nsem no a na ye se enye na ye hwe ho koto aba e de resetting eba aye na sa resetting nyina mu enema kro no ada so koso a unim se Ghana for ye ho ye nwanwa pa so eduru ba bia ende na kame akwakoye se politician for a ye di blame ema wo mo no e bia ya anye fair to them me can say ya anye fair to them if you say na ye say politicians omo wo ho ene nipa bi no omo wo ho omo nima mamuo ene mamamuo a omo nim ti yento ba ensesa Ghana for so ya de pa over be 1.5 million votes ena ye de esesa aban no na de krono a yesesa aban no se edaso koso ene de a na ene e wo se ye hwehwe ba bi a Techiman ato na e wo se yema yadwene ebo ye nka ye se Techiman bi wo ba bi na sa Techiman na e wo ba bi no e wo se ye hwehwe anopai menema pamfo ye be wura sa asem mu ye be gye wode nkyira ka ho efi se ye ntumi ntena oman mu na obi a wako suku wawie yema waban adwuma na wode wo pɛ eye oman sika biara mi bisa question baako se ye kasai senka Ghana ye company ena eye wo dia ana eye wo papa dia ena wo papa wuo ena ye de company na ma say J na fa bo bra nka sei ena bekita o mine company ni sika anka sei kwan wei ena de company ni sika ebe fa so ana abusanfo ebra so say ye kan nokore mu oya e de kire nipa na Ghana fo bi sa kire o madwen ebra so say e wo say ye den yema yani ebre enipa binum so o my Ghana adie bia e wo se nyame ye nipa bia nyame aye Ghana bi agudi aye wo ajapade aye wo abrochira man aye sori ana ye pe ho akọ America no ne aman ahodo a ye sori ana ye pe ho akọ no ebusuafo eniema aye wo Ghana asase we so wo mu ni bi o wo mu ni bi dia omuwo edi chen ya ne se wo mu krom ho no wo mu di mmara so wo ma bronyini 1 cedi se fa koto ensu a bronyini de 1 cedi no be kwa koto nsuo no ensesa akora ka o de beba nanso Ghana ni wo ma no 1 cedi no obekwa akoye kokwasa wo mu a se be ya obenya bibi kakra tafere ewo mu ye mobrasa sabe ye son sabe nyado se kom de wa ye mfa yensa mienu enidi anopai eye me ya mede yiya na ekasa me ya in the sense say ye wo a period bi a ye wo resetting agenda period mu e na ya reset 1 year e na ya reset the same old story diana 2024 2023 why na ye wo mu no eno na ye da so wo mu dia the question is asembisa no ne say ye koto aba no na ye ana ya nto aba no na ye ye sesa aba no na ye ana ya nsesa aba no na ye ya ye to aba ye sunlight to aba no mommai aba na ye to no emra yen emfaso so enche mabadwafo tenase a ye bewura nkrata no mu na ye hunu ne entie ye ni abere na ye hwe nsunsuanso a saade na ya ye nhwe ha ya mana kwa ebibi te say oh na we dey kura eye auditor general ba na wa beka brofo because auditor general report no eye brofo na wa kan brofo a kire yen obeka brofo no kire yen sa wi a na fei ye dey call public account committee enkrofo kratim kotena tv so na wo musu wi a end of story wo musu wi a asa emra bi anya wo mu hwe ye tete hwa na afia san ahia saa nipa kro no a na wasen akoye biem ye tete hwa na afia ahia na ofoforo nso aye bi enti the question is enkosi da ben na ye behunu reset agenda na ye no eso mfaso nsachiraye na ye de wo hia anopai we will go behind this very vexed issue na yama analytical analysis adechire bia ni mu asem ensem bi wo ho a edika ensem bi wo ho a editie na nsem a edika no why no obektes it doesn't matter what no kore na ye kan be ye wo ya eye wo ya na ochina ubehunu wana mu ntutuo edemfaso ebebre oman Ghana. It's a Wednesday morning Ade Akye Abia na anopei yebedi nkomo ewa fidie so Deputy Agric Minister Yura John Dumelo waba ose wakosha parliament for bose kane afi etwa mu no akuafo a wo atebubu ne amanten ntemu ho eyade a wo mo bro ene wo mo beans a wo mo duaye no wo ma nya atofo ama akuafo na boka suso wo de ba beboa wo mo ye bo modern side opa ye beko atebubu amanten ye ne mpanifo e wo ho beko akotwe nkomo ye beko akohwe the realities on the ground ye beko akohwe nsunsuanso nso a saade no e de abre wo mo because ye ntimi ntena wo man mu se ye do na ye do wi a ye nya eye atofo no ye bedi ho nkomo ene anopei owura mu ntaka Mubarak abo amane se mrante ne mabawa a wo mo kofa nkrata so mo pese o mo ebi pese o ko prosi ebi pese o ko soja ebi pese o ko immigration ne ekeka ho sa security services no wo mo koye test no nipa mako apem ne ahasa 1300 security applicant wo mo nyina wo yade moawa HIV no bi enti yeje wo mo eka eye bambo adwuma no ho sesi a enye ye na obefa bro ahafo eku de obokrata no a sunyane man hene nana ya ade bi nana onkwanso piao sunyane man hene aba no ho ba se enche bia animanimu ya wo mo bema free public wifi ana internet na chese ugina sunya bontene ba bia internet free ubetimi ayisubi we yen satraya eba ahenie emu ene ahenie drum pempenso se ahemfo na hyase etwa esabi to ho ene ohene bia ba opese obeja nkaye ade bi wo ho oni ho adaache yade bebo ni din aka asem nana wadwen a wafa na yadwempa nyame nhirawo na afei eya ye na yebenya ho kwan na da bia ebedu sunwan no watimi access internet eto da bia ya na ya pass wo document bi na mpofirim o data asa nti say your public internet bi on e free sade a ade a ebeboa yen nti no yen share eno so enso nti anopai makan no awie no moa munua be ma Owoahene Acheampong maka chiro say ye bedi nkomo no na systematic press adaroma we are very much interactive our social media no so nti join yen ewo ho enom brabe share wadwen with us common nsema yedie no na ye nyina yentume enko yenim madike anka chiro say executive producer ododo adamfo nana Kwame Owusu Fasem che ade a ono na anopai wabomechidom na wahwehwe dwumadie kama sanso na brother Philip ne abra ata wo nyina eka ho ebi na yede dwumadie bronti no ye be hya ase ne yakọ ahoma no so na yabo enkomo ahodo a ewo edwa no eso se be ya bibia be ye enkoso enenso ade a said American aka no ye be a presentation bi the amount na a part of the discussion na ye be no on the auditor general report na make mu asem no ye be di nyina ho nkomo de amount enti no ya na wa hye nso se anopa wuda sorry ye no wahu se oto ase etwen osiremu ayedududu wo ye ho ba bi entim ye bi kura waka mpam o sorry a enyeye me pa che obebre ohunam no edodo ayaresabia ba ko a ewodwa so say esi a wobetimi akohonom na yaboa 21st clinic clinic of our time 21st clinic ewo sunyankwan ya so oben MTTD office no na kaka wo say ye san won krabata dunum Ghana ha nyina bebia yade adokoro wa koduru fakohonom 21st clinic we wade sononko bi wone ho nyame adom wo mu edin a ebro clinic nyina so obia ni ho de yade akọ 21st clinic a wasan aba fie kwa enti wo de ko na nso kosohwe se na hu se nkrofo ani abre ye di 21st clinic ho adanse a ase e wo nyina ne se abusuafo wo be ma ho aye ha na wakọ ye gina so a ye de sa yade ne se ye numa duro obra wonim yade no ne fapem adekode de yade no baaye no ye numa duro enti wada roma eya na wakọ ho wokwa ye behwe kama ye nuro no so ye de ma wo no oboni beka se highly efficacious medication che se ye duro a anonsuo enam na esa yade tu ase wada roma baby bia wo bia bomoden se obekọ hwe wo mo ena no pay unua bi na wabrochire wose ne to ase ntini no twe no a ko now ne doctor enkasa call center number no enie 0540 311311 0540 311311 adwumayefo no wa homa no so sesi a doctor fo no ofre ya ye pia watom ama bibia atumi akọ enkan enti yenhye eno enso se be ya bibia da ebewie okay maka no so mawie no South Africa yenyina yenim sem bi asi ho nansen na South Africa mabunu bi a wo mo sabe wasoro wani ntonso na ye pam adehye wo ho te se Ghana for ne keka ho no ade a honsam no akwa achi pa aban kra sase a oyi Ghana for wo ho no ede free South Africa mampani owura Ramaphosa waye na dwen se oba nsrahwe wo Ghana ha Ghana ba mu mpanifo stopping no Ghana ba mu mpanifo stopping se abufu a ehye Ghana fo mu no se ye ma ho kwan na oba se ya yenim ne betimi ase enti se no environment no nye atmosphere no nye nti won twen kakra ansa eno dia esie na of course abanya ye diplomatic sa na eso kano ba me feel say honestly speaking South Africa ban en some ekoso nyina wanyade kire say oman no emra ewo oman mu na ese de ye adwuma so obi wo oman mu na say o ye illegal immigrant a oman mu a oni nkrata ene de mefoa so ye mpam no banye sa kwan we na ese ye fa so pam wo mo because obi a we illegal immigrant bia no ontumi nkotena South Africa mamu nkobie adwuma ebia stores ebi wo restaurants ahodo ene nnwuma bebre mo de ani brek pam saafo no nyina se wo mo nko wo mo koi wo mo japade aka achi no hwan na ebekọ hwan ho compensation be na yede ma obi ana oye adwuma wo ho mo pam wo mo nyina bom so obi anko South Africa aban and show leadership was asem we mu aban show leadership was asem we mu was a by nanka wo ma clamp down youth na wo mo yes ade no now aban no pese oba minim se onim se abufu aba into oba na one aban abeka etiapam ho na yahwe asiesie enema but aban aye diplomatic or say atmosphere no nye abufuo a won crofo tim sesi ano o hyewe won crofo tim sesi ano yade a enye. In any case your South African companies bebre wo Ghana ha me modin for purposes of advertisement inti South Africa wo company bebre wo Ghana ha ebi ye telco wahu ebi ye banks any enwuma ahodo bebre enti sayeye nso sabia so sabia nyaado sayeye ye ho nkurasefo kakra na yese ye betake saafo na ede ne besie wo sayeye each other's keeper sayeye nyina me hu say you are helping me, I am helping you, because at the end of the day South African companies are Ghana no womo ye adwuma na omunya mfaso no wia womo de mfaso no ko South Africa it goes to build their economy sika on beba be ye adwuma wo ha anya no e de ko na e de ko build womo economy enti no e wo say ye den ye hwe na nkitahudie ene bibia etume ekonkan e wo ha enom well na emunsem eno no enti aban se on twen kakra sesi ide oba emwa woni aban ya adwen anase woni no enya adwen ewo saa anamontuo no ho eno so ye an issue a anopay trendy ewo social media no eso na yebebomu enkomo obeka ya afi 2024 na ye wo party bia na ko bia na efre wo mo edahadaha wo mo na mo Nkranza North independent candidate wakan sembi ede afa NPP aman yoku no ho ye ko yanim no ye bedimu enkomo ewo ha enom na afi yahwe ama bibia akọ enkan Ade Akye me kwa ahoma no so na maye adwuma edikan ewo ho enom ye kwa akodi akuafo ni enobaya yado amana no ye kodi ho enkomo ene anopei yewura ageni mboaten dodo na frɛ no Katasco or ye regional buffer stock manager ewo Bono East yankobo nkomo kakra. Katasco, good morning. Hello Katasco, good morning. Okay, yeah, bo modern say ye be connected. Okay, Katasco, so what ye nkandia and na anope ye be do wase say wabadwumadi eso wo hwe akuafo a ewo okay ya lusu enuano ewo ho we will raise him back on the line na ya hwe enkomo no de afiri ho na sada na me ka kire no yewura John Dumelo oye deputy agric minister waba amane se abandon hwehwe foforo bi ba bebo akuafo no ye nhwe ema akuafo no wo mo embre engu enti no nhwehwe omode ba no mu baako ana ebi ene se buffer stock for ebe to wo mo no baye no enti ye pese ye hwe na emu nkomodie ne emu nsem enyina no ye de epi so ene anopei ewo ho ede ma fi se akom de eno ane nkyeremu nti no ye bekom na ya kyerem na bibia ye kama owura Dumelo ese wo mo ne eye buffer stock partner. Okay, Honorable Katasco, good morning.
Good morning, Minya.
Me ba cho na no pay wapum to say.
Oh, Nyankopandom.
That's right. Now, buffer stock ye come there. Yo. Yada sebebre anopay. Asama meka de ye nyina nimsem. Yenim se kwa tebu amanten. Enye honom nkom miamia bebre organa nkanka ye bono isi ha. Akuafo do afi etwam no aburo ni beans no. Wo man hye da nya atofo papa ndi wo mu nwinwi. Asam yi nam so ama Deputy Agric Minister Yura John Dumelo akọ parliament akọ say aban de hyehyɛ bi ba na hyehyɛ ahodo mu ba akọ ne say omne buffer stock for mo be partner na mo hwɛ ato akuafo no eno baye no de amayen but saa asam yi edi nkan akuafo no baye a yentumi anto no sɛ de yɛ sɛ yɛtɔ afi etwa mu no ɛte wo san yankasa as regional buffer stock penny.
Yominia, the kind of woman never say. Now, I'm in for a queen, some queen out there, mommy, since a chief for you now. Now, I'm in cancer. Needy kind. Mammy, means, may I say to no one wait. I will host a man, say a craphobic brain, so, Omoye, and Funa face. And no buying baby green. Nancy said, and common system. Gana almost said, ye better ama almost aka, almost sika, almost ready, Mugima number Musano.
Right.
I am saying you be an so 18 the number first of when said I am not can't do home commodity. I can say, and yet will be added.
Right.
Number said, you can. The very demand and supply, as you all know. The empire ban say in Yabana saying food and baby.
Right.
But economically, so say the more always any baby. Emma, Nisso, Mosena, and now mom the patron on some above. The aluminium farm and energy. Said what you can get to the next question. I said, one of the MPs are more bono Eastern. I think that it will MP Honorable Sanjananja.
Right.
Every the issue floor of Parliament some days ago. And was a great minister, Casabiano Batoman, deputy who had been
right.
The Anna John Dumelody measures a buying dear good acquaintance. Offer so area has mitigated. Sir, the iPhone said, post harvest losses and I say excessive. You can't have a fast bad issues. Now, meaning a move across. And it's under the other one, and yet under buffer stock for you, but the kind of buffer stock for you. And I say, I buy a partner with buffer stock.
Sure.
So you'll be to grains, a bit of brewing, they can count, including these. Now, on the way there, I asked them that, so much I came. The first budget of this current government. Na buffer stock there, na abafom kakra. And it's not it common say, national food reserve. Na na ajay, and it's not your mudu makasia free senior high school feeding.
Right. Right.
Nti omoyo imagine say, I also almost start a common data. Say you to be a new number from your religion, the targeted people. EFN the National Food Reserve. Now, many more Kasa da Elmo Fidia so I can say National Food Reserve originally in there. And now facilities in here, free 3 regions. So
right.
The Volta region, Ashanti region, and the Northern region.
Sure.
However, supply is number 12 and number the National Food Reserve, they call all regions. But we have private suppliers, also a different company, wouldn't say long. The company is a separate legal entity. As part by Salmon and Salmon. And it's not only a separate. Although they've been contracted by buffer stock, but more around about the Ghana. Or more buffer stock for Apade. So you only see them. Buffer stock for no mobile group. But private individuals but they will be buying it as agents of buffer stock.
Aye. Right.
And I'm buying a mitigated for savage losses now. Am I using the beginning? I think there about a week or 2 years, and not 3 years. So the kind of cry, Katana, not a Katari, and a swat to Kakasan, so Babu is her. And I'm regional minister in Guadaroma. Yes, so you're not aggregators, you know. The aggregators, and I'm a prices here, and your company is true. Our more bonus is region her. Or more air talk and no man. On behalf of buffer stock,
right.
John Dimolo, Deputy Minister, Okayano. So, Babuni is yes, so effect. And I said, if you can show me a shot here, you feel it.
Right.
But that two companies, for some reasons, I would not like to mention their names. But said you see, the Baku. Techiman important. Our told me to say kind of Techiman, Kentampo, and Kranza. Nina so 2 conferences, Techiman 2 conferences, Kentampo 2, Kranza 2. And about control the far eastern part of Bono East. A year at Tebu. I say Senate, the council and national where Senate East and West, and a true. So east and west. So we are hoping that concern normally among municipality a big after saying with me after we know because I know much to a Brunina. So for now, what we are praying is what we are praying for a good price. But as somebody come on for a cassette. Atofo crampo macra Nankapes or Mape, price papa. He said, I hope somewhere around. Our Montopa agent be black, or more regime or motor.
Okay. Yeah, that's the said we say actually we say aggregators no sika ye de ama omo emu edo. Do we know raw figure be say sika be say na wo sha ye de akwa abonten say ye mfa nkoto akuafo na mai.
In fact, I don't want to say it offhead. Abian come shake that for now, if it's in the Akon was a little that figure, then I'll forward it to you.
Right. Share Mudia Jamone, Munamoto Kuafo Nemane at the Adenti Bia Nankita Unde Kakra Koso. The see last year ma Kuafo nya tofwe. Obeka say a benyan sunsan so say a bia. A bema Kuafo dodo esa omodono. A beba for mana.
Sure, as you have what there's you. As you have 4 years, Nipa Muya could do for papa. Sans and I'm interested in the room.
Sure.
And you see, I'm over the idea root as a party and Kranza, who do any as your root and so many parts. But yeah, Landa previously, Yadidia Bruno, local glasses, so covered by me. Bruno. Now, on the way, we probably don't class it by the time of waiting period. Meaning, the ending of 2024 prices are not a year too high. Who's a democrat, 1,300 kg of meat. Not a yenoma.
Okase enye noma echere say.
Na echere a price na a strong growth.
Okay.
Yes, e won say yena yebenya sikan obia na ntabekan Canada. Ayane. But we also think of other factors. Economically, there are people who so Bruna or they quite again. Now the Omade Quakoyano, so much with that price, can they survive it? So over Ghana, je much the Omo Bruno Palm about 70% poultry farmers.
Right.
Now poultry farmers Omo Bruno the name of the Kamo CD the man Cocono. The Babion Muka is Muka Cotton Coconin.
Right.
Omo Bruno with set outrageous prices. Definitely Omo and the businessmen to pay way out on farm mocha. So the next time now, I would overcome from the so example Bruno with the previous price now. The business will collapse. So over finding different means of the Bruno. This is a nearby country. Bruno price very low. Then Obaka Abba, we need to get you place in free market.
Sure.
So these were the factors, and I believe if the factors no repeating one I believe you bring the good price.
Okay.
But because you say, you do look at it and what you just said, some farmers free input, this is a fertilizer, I need a count, said a very bit in a boost years.
All right.
Right.
Yo. Inti obane maybe ni amenu wie se abanye nhihye we nyina ye ma akuafo fertilizer se be ye ombenya hoden aye adwuma na omo aye nduduo mu a na kire se ye expectation se ade a nnobaye no ebeba bebu bebre kwan be anade na esa abanye ni differently. Say all support akuafo nyina chi ama omanya hode aye adwuma no omoye adwuma no wie a ebeba beye emfaso de ama ebeba beye income be make income every farming no emu de na say ye differently apart from say money ministry no partner adidwa no de na say ye differently this time.
Okay, me nyamada madwe say ma the consumers. As a medical percentage, the supported farmers are consuming a green.
Sure.
It is a more money price and a because of say a buying so a queer for national. And yet, their price no bono, ever for a pata. No, did you say, almost Benya Daji, among Kofa Bruno, the nearby country. And the Yaka said, yeah, crab, W. A bank as government, a young crabru, but a private businessman, our mutual Bruno, or one alternative always. As is Omunia Dio, I don't know man crab Bruno, they are definitely Yendina, Yen or man women. I believe a bit to Ama, Obia, Kinato, only there with good price.
Right. Medasi Bebriano paying come out near the era. Amen. Ebisan for any out ye yera ajenim boaten na hotedin de Katasco or your regional buffer stock manager ewo Bono East or say aban nhyehyeye no a ode eba no de a ebetumi aboa ama bibia akonkan mame kai wo se ene se de ye hye mobo enora no ene Techiman na for her mayor obedroni ye e studio a honorable Kwaku Aje Mensa obeba beka ye ho na yadwendwen Techiman man e ho ti anopei ma wasem bisa anomra okosompa Facebook no so a Sompa 106.1 FM wo questioner wo de beto ho de question no to ho a systematic press adaroma ye benya na ya bisa mayor de amount entino ya na wahye eno enso entino bibia enye kama YouTube nso no very much interactive ewo ho enom ni nyina no Sompa Facebook live no okoso a ubenya yen well yeguso anope ye bon komo no ekoye nim but yaka eno sa wie no nkomo wo ho maka cho say audit no yebedi mu nkomo kakra ansa na mayor atena ase me pese audit no meje wadwen kire emfono wo me de aisa afono me afi bia the same old story ayesa afono me eze eye ya yentwi nipa so ana say ya normalize ketasehye ana say ye normal say me ye adwuma o man sika bedimi nsam na me ye ne basabasa bia me pa oh ye frɛ me a na makoki kan brofo a ye wi a mabetra me ba bi is that the new norm ni asese yagye atom a ye de ye adwuma ni ana ni nyina ye nkomodi a anope ewo ha enti system obebo once a ye twense besen kwa ahoma no so no ye mobo sansam no tewte wansa na ododo kire na dwene ewi a ya ma ho kwan na de aka echi nyina no ye de aba ene anope we are airborne live ewo Facebook account no eso enti no like page no na share na gya wadwen kire ewo ho enom na yen kangum sa na yenko yenim enti ho ensem ena yede aba eno enti no yebekɔ ne saa kakrakra ewo ha enom na bibia aye kama ede amayen okay ebusuafo sadia meka aye no wo hwa ene no ye hwɛ the Auditor General report say 5.27 billion Ghana cedis ena akɔ yanya ho adwuma ye financial irregularities na yesa ye disikare ya mfa anye se de yesa yesi buhu akonta ya mu ni saa na wohwemu a apagya kosoro ohanche mu oha adunum ensia 156% ena apagya ede kosoro we are the very latest report wa Auditor General ede ababonten 2025 Auditor General report wa oyeye dia esie ewo MDAs no ministries, department and agencies asoya ahodo no aban nyuma ahodo no emu ene wo nkrabata ahodo no eho na sansemi asisi a ye boso ede emaw enti no hye no nso na ewia ye nyina ye nkyere adwen ewo ho enom enti no sei ena enkomo no etie Auditor General report say 5.27 billion ena akọ ensesan mu a ho akontabuo ni sade a ye kan so mfanya ade no ye hunu okay na woto aso na wokọ wanim a abusanfo key highlight no ye de wo hia wo hwa report no say total irregularities no increase from 2.06 billion Ghana cedi ewo afe 2024 ede ko see 5.27 billion Ghana cedis ewo afe 2025 eno na represent eye ohanche mu oha adunum ensia 156% increase ewo ho enom na Auditor General etwaso kan se saa sika we nyina ya akodi nsesan mu 5.27 billion no yeje a eyeye enti esa yeje say ye may binum refund sika no say ye say charge ebinom say ye de binum so fa emra kwan so na yeje sa sika no ansana yatumi ede aye adwuma we ye de a Auditor General ka ho asem na sa brofu yi say charge Auditor General report bia ewom enso Auditor General kan say wi a hwan na edi akire akogye hwan na edi akire nanse kura yete account bia yede sa sika no nyina ebegumu nanso akwa akosisen ni nyina ye nkomo a ewo ho meba betoa so na yenko yanim na yeni nkomo ahoman so meba mede de aka ebetoa so na bibiada etime akọ enkan ene anopei ewo ha enom okay ye ko ahoma no so na ye ne yewura David Boache akodi enkomo oye constituency regional secretary ewo ye mantami emu ye bunu is MPP amanyoko no no ona ye regional secretary ede ema ekuo no na ye ne no enkodi enkomo ewo ha enom yewura David Boache anopa good morning. na ani die mu a wapom te sɛn. All right. Yewura David Boache, good morning. Hello, good morning. Na anope wapom te sɛn. Mr. Boache, good morning. Mr. Boache, good morning. Okay, I was say yeah reconnecting BM na yeah nhwe ewo ho enum. Ye be say agreke ho nkomone said ya akuafo esu wo afie twa mu ene deputy minister assurance awode abanom ye gene tot kakra ewo ho ene anope na yetumi ekoye nim ene dadua yi ade ache yeguso a yesum ede ekoye nim kakra sa ntino yenya no a yede eno ebeba aba abehim ama bibia etumi akọ enkan ene anope na meka say charge no ho asem ede kire say auditor general report bi okasa yen say charge nkrofo na say charge no ye ya yehunu ba bia ekokosie account no kra yete ye no eto da bia yehunu sika dodo a akomu ewo ho enom but yenkwa ahoma no so na yane yewura David Boache emonkomo yi yewura David Boache, good morning.